Hello, today I will show you how you can change or add new language to your Windows 10 computers. Actually, on Windows 10 computers it is very easy to change or to add new language. So we are going to this icon, it is settings, then we have many different sections here. For now we need only this time and language section. We are going to this section, then in this left side we have region and language. From here we are choosing region and language, and we have several language already installed. So if we need new language, then we just click add on language, and here we can search for that language. For example, in this case I am searching for Russian language, so I choose Russian language. You can choose different type of Russian language packs. For now, for me, I just choose this one, the original Russian language. So another ones, for example, for different countries. Then I just click next. In this time the system is looking for, searching for this language pack, and here you see that there is set as my Windows display language. If I don't uncheck this, if I check this like this and continue to install, it will install this language for our operating system also. I mean, for example, here we will not see words in English. All operating system language will be in Russian, but if we just need Russian language as keyboard, just typing on the keyboard, we just are installing it without set as my Windows display language. Then we choose install, and we're waiting for this installation. It will take just a few minutes, and in this time you need to have active internet connection, because the Windows is downloading this language pack from internet and already installed. Then we can go to options menu and we can add different keyboard if we need, but mostly we don't need to change the keyboard. If we want to change the operating system language, then we can, from here we can choose one of these language as our operating system language. For example, if I choose Russian language, as you see it says will be display language after next sign in. We just need to sign out and sign in to have this language back. Okay, for now I don't choose it, we just installed any language. So on Windows 10 computers it is very easy to add new language as a keyboard or as the operating system language. You just need to click add language and next and install. And if you want to change anytime the language pack, you can choose it from here. Also, I want to show you, here we have language packs as you see in some order. Here we can for example, if we want to change their order, we can do like this. Now it will be English, Polish, Russian, or now if we choose Azerbaijan language before Russian language, we can do it like this. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for next videos.